Hey guys, the podcast you're about to watch is recorded with Pratik Chitte. He is a stand-up comedian and also founder of a comedy club, Red Panda Comedy. Hope you like the podcast. Welcome, welcome यार प्रतीक. Too formal. ही आदत नहीं है
I know,
मेरे
right?
को. Too formal. Okay, let's start. आता काय करूयात start. Stand-up
जी.
मध्ये कसा आलास?
स्टँडअप मध्ये कसं आलो? दॅट वॉज बेसिकली जॉबलेस होतो. जॉब सोडून घरी आलो होतो, परत काही कामधंदा नव्हता आणि टीचिंग करत होतो. सो वन ऑफ माय स्टुडंट ही सजेस्टेड की सर यू used to be pretty funny during lectures, so why don't you try stand up? So that was probably 3 वर्षापूर्वी, जेव्हा औरंगाबादमध्ये पहिला ओपन माईक झालेला कश्मकशने केला होता, तेव्हा
Okay.
जस्ट ट्रायल म्हणून मी त्या मीटअपला गेलेलो. ऍक्च्युली मी स्टँडअप करेल की नाही मला माहित नव्हतं, बट जस्ट मी एक मीटअप साठी गेलेलो आणि आय फाउंड इट फॅसिनेटिंग. And the worst part is, I still remember the first time I went for that सेकंड मीटअप जेव्हा मी गेलो, तेव्हा मी खूप सारे जोक्स कॉपी करून घेऊन गेलो होतो. मी युट्यूब वरनं खूप सारे स्टँडअप सेट्स बघितलेले. And I had compiled a few jokes which I found really funny and I performed it to them. And they were like, कि wait, ये सब copied है. Like, अच्छा तो फिर what do you expect? So they're like, you have to write your own jokes. I'm like, oh. So I started writing, and first set highly influenced hota. I accept my first set was very influenced by a lot of comics which I used to like and get fascinated by. But yes, eventually, as per I cannot say कि I have found my voice, but yeah, I can write my own jokes, which I find कि हाँ, they are funny.
नाईस. स्टार्टिंगला मग कोणाकडनं लाईक आयडल म्हणशील तर कोण होते तेव्हा स्टार्टिंगला जेव्हा बघत होता यू आर फाइंडिंग
Arting, see, usually every engineer who's a stand-up comic is fascinated by either Abhishek Upmanyu or probably by Biswa.
राईट.
So yes, for a very long time, like almost 1.5 वर्ष माझ्या स्लँग मध्ये बिस्वाचा इन्फ्लुएन्स होता. म्हणजे असं खूप इन्सिडेन्सेसला घडलेलं की ऑडियन्स दे वॉकड अप टू मी अँड दे वर लाईक, प्रतीक यू साऊंड लाईक बिस्वा ऍट टाइम्स. अँड ऍट दॅट टाइम मी त्याला कॉम्प्लिमेंट म्हणून घ्यायचो, बट लेटर ऑन आय रिअलाइज की इट शुड नॉट हॅपन, यू शुड हॅव युअर ओन स्लँग. सो येस, बिस्वा, उपमन्यू, and then later on, if you ask me today whom I am influenced by, then it's possibly Puneet. Also, Varun. उसके बाद, yeah, they are the people who influenced me a lot. Even Kanan Gill. Kanan Gill का Amazon Prime का first solo is something I love a lot. Like, that is somewhere I wish to be someday.
लाईक मला जेवढं माहितीये तू त्यांचे लाईक उपमन्यूचा आणि बिश्वास सर दोघांचाही शो पण अरेंज केलेले आहेत. सो व्हॉट वॉज दॅट फील की त्यांना युट्यूब वरती स्क्रीनवर बघणं आणि त्यांच्यासोबत एकदा भेटून त्या बाबतीतल्या गप्पा मारणं. सो व्हॉट वॉज दॅट फील?
Yes, that was fascinating, to be frank. First time me, the biggest name whom I opened was Upmanyu about 2 years back when Upmanyu came in Aurangabad for the first time. जेव्हा फर्स्ट टाइम तो आलेला तेव्हा मी उपमन्यू साठी ओपन केलं होतं आणि तेव्हा बॅक स्टेज थोडंसं डिस्कशन झालं होतं. बट त्याच्यानंतर आफ्टर आय स्टार्टेड मुंबई सर्किट थोडा टाइम, पुणे सर्किट काही वर्ष, ऑलमोस्ट 6 महिने मी पुणे सर्किट केलं, तिकडे एवढं एक्सपोजर नव्हतं. बट आफ्टर आय डिड मुंबई सर्किट थोडंसं मला ते वाईब होते की हाऊ एक्झॅक्टली द सिनियर कॉमिक्स आर आणि what the conversations are struck usually. But yes, औरंगाबादला आल्यानंतर आय रिमेंबर बिस्वा सोबत एवढं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन नाही होऊ शकलं माझं, बिकॉज बिस्वाचा शो जो होता तो को स्पॉन्सरशिप मध्ये होता. बट विथ अभिषेक, येस, आय हॅड अ डिसेंट अमाउंट ऑफ कॉन्व्हर्सेशन. इवन विथ कुणाल सोबत तर आय ऑलमोस्ट स्पेंड द होल डे. कुणाल कामळे. सो आय पिक्ड हिम अप, देन नंतर रात्री आम्ही सोबत जेवलो. इवन अतुल खत्री सर, मतलब अतुल खत्री सर के साथ में तो इट वाज इनसेन, बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर लॉट ऑफ अस वी ऑल्सो हॅड डिनर टुगेदर. अँड आफ्टर दॅट आय वॉज देअर विथ हिम द नेक्स्ट डे वेन ही लेफ्ट, तेव्हा पण आम्ही बोललो. अँड आफ्टर दॅट वेन आय मेट हिम इन मुंबई, जेव्हा मी मुंबईला मुलुंडसाठी त्यांना ओपन केलेलं, दॅट टाइम ऑल्सो ही रिमेंबर्ड मी की अरे तो प्रतीक, आय हॅव मेट हिम. सो दॅट वॉज अ व्हेरी गुड फीलिंग. सो कॉन्व्हर्सेशन्स मस्त होते, आय लव्ह देम.
सो आता हा एकदम वेगळा क्वेश्चन आहे. इंजिनिअरिंग, त्यानंतर टीचिंग आणि कॉमेडी, ही जर्नी कशी होती?
अरे teaching was actually before engineering. म्हणजे just because I wanted to work, I just wanted to explore the world.
Mhm.
Explore पण नाही म्हणता येणार, but yes, I was fascinated by few of my teachers.
Mhm.
आणि मी टीचिंग खूप आधी स्टार्ट केलं. I had been teaching from almost 18 when I
Right.
was 18. So after I completed engineering, I got my job.
Mhm.
And then because I had been freelancing for a long time, I was freelancing for almost 3 years before I actually started doing job. So
Okay.
coming back to teaching was not actually weird for me. But
Mhm.
yes, teaching to stand up was actually a transition, because I would not say कि stand up is something I had inside me, but yes, teaching actually made me realize कि I can face people,
Right.
and then I can be loved by them is something I realized out of stand up, because stand up नंतर मला ऍक्च्युली कळायला लागलं की व्हॉट इज मोर रिलेटेबल इव्हन टू स्टुडंट्स. सो
Right. Right. Right.
yes, my stand up and teaching, they are very much interrelated, because if I would not have been a teacher,
Mhm.
stand up was not possible. And probably I am a decent teacher today because I am doing stand up. So yeah,
Right. Right.
they are very much
Correlate
interrelated.
होता है like, at the end of the
Exactly,
दोन्ही
they are
related
helping
आहे.
each other, they are
Yes.
helping
Yes.
each
Yes.
other.
Yes. 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 आणि मग इंजिनिअरिंग मध्ये काय झालं लाईक तुला मग का वाटलं की
See,
परत टीचिंग
frankly,
मध्ये
I
यावं का
अरे
म्हणजे
म्हणजे सीन असा आहे बघ, सिम्पल. मी एन्व्हायरमेंटल इंजिनिअरिंग केली. आय वॉज वर्किंग विथ अटलास कॉपको.
ओके
आणि पहिला तो पैसा नहीं मिलता था dude. मतलब I used to make twice of what I got out of my engineering job already. So
ओके
I used to work 5 days a week and get like what, say 3,000 rupees, but I used to teach like 2 days a week even during my job, and I used to earn 10,000 for 2 days.
राईट
So that was something which I already had in my head. But yeah, I had this thought clearly कि अगर मजा आया टेक्निकल में तो करेंगे. But फिर usually Indian engineers, I am a typical Indian engineer who barely knows anything about what he has studied. तो
ओके
मेरे को याद ही नहीं अब frankly. If someone comes and tells me कि I'll give you 1 lakh rupees per month and you have to work as an environmental engineer, I'll be like, dude, पहले रुक जा, मेरे को वापस पढ़ने दे.
पढ़ने दे
I am so fucking out of that world. मेरे को याद ही नहीं है. I don't, even if you ask me what were my final year subjects, I won't be able to answer that. So engineering was, I don't know if ever my thing, but yeah, I got to learn a lot of things. I actually learned a lot. मतलब बहुत जगह पे it teaches you a lot, dude. मतलब engineering is crucial if you actually wish to be
राईट राईट राईट
multidimensional. It is crucial because it doesn't show you what success is. It just shows you how it feels to be lost. So 4 years of losing and then I realized बस अब और नहीं हारना है.
you have to get up and start doing something what you love
Yeah, हाँ मतलब वही ना, 4 साल के बाद I felt कि I would do good as an engineer, but
right
फिर
right
औकात तो अपने को पता रहता ना. दिल अपना बड़ा भले ऑप्टिमिस्टिक हो, औकात तो अपने दिमाग से पता चलती है. So
right
yeah.
like what are you in real life like are you an introvert or are you an extrovert
I prefer calling myself an ambivert. Ambivert because I don't get excited. I used to be an extrovert. Then, as I have grown up, probably I'm 26. I'll be 26 this October. So
yeah
I am not sure if I can call myself an extrovert anymore. But I'm neither am I an introvert. So
okay
yeah, I am a mixture of both of them. क्योंकि मेरे को अगर सामने चूतिया दिख गया तो फिर I prefer not to go stoop down to that level. But if I have a sensible person, then I check his levels as well. लेकिन अगर मेरे से बहुत ही ज्यादा sensible होगा तो I avoid his company.
avoid हाँ
So मेरे औकात, so that is what happens. Because if you be with someone who's really sensible, you try to get up to his levels, and
right
that is when you fool yourself.
right
So I prefer staying away from. Almost, I don't like human beings in general, but there are very few whom I like. So that's
right
fine.
okay so what was the journey from first open mic to owning a comedy club or opening a comedy club what was that
See, these two are both completely different paths.
mm-hmm.
But yeah, they got interrelated after I actually started hosting shows.
okay
Well, frankly, initially when Aurangabad did not have any stand-ups in, I just remember one simple thing which was said by even Puneet ki, देख ओपन माइक अगर रख रहा है ना, अगर तू प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है शोज, तो यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रांग होस्ट.
राइट
And even if 10 of your comics are failing, it should be the host who is trying to handle the whole show. So
राइट राइट राइट
for the first, let us say, 5, probably 6 open mics, like 6 months, because that time we only used to have one open mic a month.
राइट
So पहला 6 open mic तक I clearly remember I was the only one who had to host the shows. Not because I was good, but there was no one else who actually had 15-20 minutes of at least trial का content.
राइट राइट
So I always had that in the back of my mind. I never got freedom while hosting. I knew कि अगर ये comic नहीं चला तो मुझे मेरा अच्छा jokes ही खोलना पड़ेगा. But yes, eventually that helped me a lot because it just took me a year possibly to collect a complete hour.
राइट
So last year in September when I actually did my first trial show, uh, I remember कि all of those shows which I had hosted, they actually contributed a lot. So a comic and a comedy producer, I would say being a producer is a tougher job, but being comic is more fun. So actually I started comedy, like I started producing shows because we didn't have any opportunities.
ओके राइट
So अगर खुद के लिए opportunities generate करना है तो exactly. So you had to get your hands in the mud. So I started doing that. But actually, the city supported pretty well initially. I don't remember any of our open mics which has had like very few people. We've always constantly had 10 to 15 people in our open mics. And then, agar, even if I failed as a host, even if I failed as a producer, comics always lifted me. So yes, being a comedy producer is actually having a lot of good friends, because I don't know if I would have had so many good friends if I had not started with Red Panda. So after Red Panda, I actually got to know who are the people who are trying to actually put in a lot of other art. And then eventually when you see people putting in equal amount of efforts, you just grow comfortable with them. So yes, they are interrelated, but they are two completely different parts of the page. Because as a producer, suppose I remember this moment, कुणाल कामराचा शो होता आणि तेव्हा 30 minutes prior to the show साऊंड सिस्टम म्हणजे साऊंड जो देणार होता व्यक्ती त्याने ऐन टाइमवर कॅन्सल आउट केलं. अँड वी आर स्कॅर्ड एज फक की 7:30 आय गॉट इस कॉल की प्रतीक आमचं साऊंड सिस्टम खाली पडलंय, आम्ही एका ठिकाणी ह्याच्यात होतो इव्हेंटला आणि ते पडल्यामुळे प्रॉब्लेम झालाय, सो वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू मेक इट ऑन टाइम, यू विल हॅव टू मॅनेज ऑन युअर सेल्फ. सो दॅट डे आय रिअलाइज की what Ghanpatna hota kya hai, because Kunal was actually in the green room. And I told him ki Kunal, this is the problem. So I was like, dude, can we start on time? So I was like, give me 5 minutes, I'll just manage everything. And within 10-15 minutes I managed everything. And because I was not there backstage, because there was someone else who was trying to manage backstage, Kunal himself had to come in front of the audience before starting the show to give a sound check. So usually what happens is the opening act, he does the sound check. So at that point, I was the opening act as well as I was the producer, the main face in front of everyone who was actually dealing with shit. So yes, that was a very anxious moment. And I probably remember I did pretty good 5 minutes, but still I could have done better had I not been purely a producer. So listen, until you don't have a very stable head, you can't be a comic as well as a producer.
टेंशन नहीं रहता है. लाइक इफ आई एम अ कॉमिक आई डोंट हैव टू डील विद अदर शिट. मेरे को स्टेज पे जाना है, मेरा सेट करना है और वापस आना है. बट
exactly,
you have a lot of work to do behind that. So
there are at least 10-15 people who need to know their work,
right,
उनको regulate करना. So eventually then at the time of Biswa, I clearly remember I told Jay कि भाई देख last time वाला experience बहुत भद्दा था. I could not actually enjoy my set. So I told him कि तू open कर ले. So Biswa, Jay opened. And then when Atul Khatri was there, at that time I remember entrance पे हम लोग ने first come first serve पे seat block करना start कर दिया था. So entrance पे one of the family, they started fighting with our volunteers. And all of them were pissed off. So मैं तो backstage था, मुझे phone आया कि प्रतीक entrance पे कुछ तो लफड़ा. So again I left that backstage. I went on the front gate. मैं उन लोग को solve किया. वो लोग tight में बात कर रहे थे. So I had to calm everything down. And by the time I came back, I had realized कि 60-70% of the auditorium had already been filled. So what nice, गांड पट के हाथ में आ गई थी. मतलब I legit came back. I went over there. It was half filled. Like आधे seats फिर भी empty थे. And the moment I came back, I saw it was almost full, dude. And Atul came up and Pratik, ये तो भर गया, dude. We should be starting in on time. I'm like, yes, sir, करते हैं start. But by that 20 minutes, which very important 20 minutes, जो backstage में रहना चाहिए था. That time I got disturbed. So I again remember I missed out on two of my jokes, which were very important to that set. But again, that set went fine. But yes, it's kind of a tough job to actually try to be a producer, the main face in front of the show, as well as to open that.
Right.
So hopefully someday I'll have a strong team. I already have a good team, but again, kahin na kahin,
ऊपर नीचे होता ही है.
they are not. Yes, exactly.
रेड पांडा कैसे नाम गिरा? लाइक आई वांट टू नो दैट.
अरे उसका सीन बहुत सिंपल था रे. मुंबई में कुकू क्लब एंड ऑल था, तो ऑल आई न्यू वाज कि नाम ऐसा चाहिए व्हिच इज वेरी लाइक ऐसा आराम से कोई तो बक दे.
चिल. हां.
एंड आई वाज टीचिंग माय 10th स्टैंडर्ड स्टूडेंट्स एनवायरमेंटल मैनेजमेंट, और वो बुक के कहीं तो एक जगह पे है कि रेड पैंडास हैव गॉन एक्सटिंक्ट. बोला ऐसा ही है. सो दैट वाज जस्ट आउट ऑफ नोवेयर कि ये मस्त नाम है, डाल देंगे. एंड रेड पैंडा इंस्टाग्राम पेज मैंने ओपन किया था ऑलमोस्ट 2 months बिफोर आई मेड इट लाइक अवेलेबल टू एवरीवन, कि मैंने पब्लिक को बताया. मैंने सिर्फ पेज बना के रख दिया था. मैं कहा यार करते देन नहीं किया. बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन आई एक्चुअली ओपन इट अप, जय वाज वेरी हैप्पी, इवन अथर्व वाज देयर दैट टाइम. नॉट ऑल ऑफ द सीनियर कॉमिक्स आज जो अपने यहाँ के बेस्ट लाइक टॉप 5 वी कुड से, दोस वर स्टार्टिंग एट दैट टाइम. मतलब when Red Panda had its first show, there were 4 comics who had done 3 open mics prior to that, and I was the only one who had 5 to 6 open mics on my
experience.
So yes, वो time पे जिन्होंने start किया, none of them are there, but all of those who joined on the journey are there, and that's fun to have them.
Looking back, कैसा लगता है? लाइक एक टाइम ऐसा भी रहेगा कि मतलब सीनियर कॉमिक्स के भी थिएटर्स थोड़े एम्प्टी रहेंगे या फिर पूरा सोल्ड आउट नहीं हो रहेगा, बट नाउ उपमन्यु शो पूरा हाउसफुल था. सो लाइक व्हाट्स दैट फील्स लाइक?
See, frankly, it's all about how you market yourself. मतलब I've heard a lot of comics say this themselves कि देख, every YouTube viral video comic is not a great comic. So you can do 1 hour of joke in which just 5 minutes are really strong, and you upload that and you realize कि fuck, इसका 5 minute बहुत tight है, and then the remaining 55 minutes might not be as good as the 5 minutes.
Right.
So usually the future, what I feel कि to be able to sell out everything, you need to know what is to be sent out to the public and what is not.
Right.
So yeah, future, I don't know what exactly holds in for stand-up. Looking at the current scenario, we are not getting any better. We are just going back in terms of years in our mentality.
Right.
The current scenario mein, I believe things are going to get weird. Matlab, I don't know if freedom of speech is an issue for a comic right now, because when you're performing at that time, usually तुम्हें ऐसा audience नहीं मिलता जो तुम्हें रोकेगा बात करने से. But when it comes to letting out things on different social media platforms या फिर YouTube, जहाँ पे तुम लोग release कर रहे हो, that time I believe you should be more conscious so as to sustain your future.
Right.
क्योंकि अगर कुछ भी तुम लोग एवे offensive content डाल रहे हो, not only offensive, but if that content is not relatable to the masses, you will not probably be able to sell a lot of tickets eventually.
मतलब
So that is what I feel कि yeah.
मतलब तुमने वीडियो डालते वक्त सिर्फ प्रेजेंट का भी नहीं सोचना है, तुमको बाद में टिकट्स भी बेचने हैं. तो वो एक
Exact, dude. Why are you uploading? The reason you are uploading YouTube is not because that is your ultimate goal. Your ultimate goal is to sell out a lot of tickets and go different places and actually be able to perform to multiple different people. YouTube पे you're not coming every day and doing jokes. So YouTube is just a source कि देखो अभी मैं ready हूँ. This is my 5 minutes. Come and test my 55 minutes. या फिर come and test my remaining whatever material I have.
Yes.
So when it comes to YouTube, I believe you can be more cautious and you can be more sensible. That is how you market yourself. In that case, the best person I believe who's actually doing this is Atul. Like Atul Khatri sir, he's insane in terms of the content he releases. He has a thought behind every of his Instagram story, his Instagram presence, let it be LinkedIn. LinkedIn के terms में अगर बोलूँ तो राहुल सुब्रमण्यम का LinkedIn connections have been very strong. Now Gaurav Kapoor has come into vlogs.
Yeah.
So all of these comics, they are making sure कि उनका नाम वही है. They are the funniest in the market.
Yes.
And
Yes. Yes.
to do that, you need to have a sensible presence. So yeah, to be able to sell out tickets, दिमाग लगा और फिर काम करो.
बराबर. तुझा काय टाइप आहे लाईक वेन यू राईट अ जोक what your thoughts are behind it?
Usually my jokes are just my personal experiences. Many of the times it has happened कि मेरा joke मेरे लिए funny था but किसी और के लिए नहीं था.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
I'm not a comic who is doing comedy just because yeah, that's a part of your stand-up कि you should be able to make everyone laugh. But मेरे लिए it is not compulsory कि everyone should laugh. There will
Right.
be 95% of audience who's laughing. There will be 5% who like ये तो funny नहीं था. And I'm like fine, no problem, dude. That's totally fine. So for me, funny is something which I can actually enjoy while performing myself.
Mhm.
अगर मुझे खुद के if I'm not enjoying my own set या फिर I'm writing a monotonous bit, that's not my type. So I don't know if I have any type or such.
Mhm.
क्योंकि I have been writing, maybe I haven't developed it yet. इतना ज्यादा अभी मैं stand up में नहीं आया हूँ. But yeah, currently it's not such कि मैं यही type के jokes लिखूंगा या फिर I will go in a particular genre. Whatever I find funny around me and
Uh-huh.
if I observe certain things, that is what I end up writing. So अगर उससे set develop हुआ great, अगर नहीं हुआ तो that's barely a one liner या फिर एक छोटा सा 1 minute का bit which eventually fits in somewhere. So yeah.
Right, right. You have been traveling a lot for like stand up. So what was your there experience?
Frankly, being a second tier comic, second tier city से होना और फिर बाहर के मेट्रोज या फिर पुणे मुंबई या फिर इवन बड़े सिटीज में जाके परफॉर्म करना, the biggest problem usually I faced was that anxiety. कि dude, I have performed in औरंगाबाद और उधर का शायद क्राउड वैसा नहीं है जो मुझे यहाँ पे मिलने वाला.
Right.
But yeah, first 2-3 open mics I bombed really bad. Because मैं बहुत डरता था. I used to be like, वो वाला slang अगर मैं यहाँ निकालूंगा तो will people laugh, you know? But eventually when I realized कि people are actually laughing and whatever naturally I am, then I realized कि it's totally fine. So see, the fact is, no matter where you go,
Mhm.
the human mentality doesn't change much. Although the lifestyle might change, but eventually what a human being is, it doesn't really change. So if you know what is funny, that will be funny anywhere you perform. And that is what I suggest to all of the comics कि मुंबई पुणे कहीं भी perform कर रहे हो, make sure you be yourself. You don't try to go with the cool
Yeah,
trend.
yeah,
क्योंकि
yeah.
what I have observed is every comic wants to impress the other comic. And even I did that for over a year. कि यार मेरा set अगर comics, usually that's the problem, right? Because when you're doing an open mic, most of the time it's all of the comics and very few audience. So usually comics they write to impress other comics, but that is something I want everyone to avoid कि भाई लोग खुद के लिए लिखो यार. मतलब ऑडियंस हंस रही है तो तुम्हारे टिकट बिकेंगे, तुम्हारे कॉमिक्स तुम्हारे लिए एक स्टोरी डालेंगे ज्यादा से ज्यादा, उसके ऊपर कुछ नहीं.
Right.
Yeah, make sure you write for the audience and not for the comics.
ओपन माइक काय इम्पॉर्टन्स लाईक फॉर इवन अ बिगिनर किंवा मग जो कोणी सेटल्ड आहे थोडंफार, सो ओपन माइक्स काय इम्पॉर्टन्स ठेवतात त्यांचं?
See, open mic is the whole world, right? मतलब म्हणजे तुम्ही ओपन माइक का करतात is just that you can polish each and every bit of yours. Let it be a proper tight 5-minute set या फिर let it be an absolutely scratchy 2 to 3 minutes which you just try to slip in a conversation. Open mic is somewhere जिथे तुम्ही सगळं काही म्हणजे तुम्ही ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये रॉ असू शकतात.
राईट.
अगेन तुमचं असणं नसणं सेकंडरी फॅक्ट, बट येस द मोर यू प्रॅक्टिस द बेटर यू गेट. And that is the case. जैसे net practice cricket में compulsory है, open mics are compulsory. There are barely, what I could say, 1 or 2% comics who hit it right from their first show. I would say every comic needs to understand that there's a difference between open micer and a stand-up comic.
Right.
You can't call yourself a stand-up comic just by doing 2-3 open mics and then you're like, I'm a stand-up comic, oh, you can contact me for collaboration, open for corporate shows, बाप का number डाल के collaboration के लिए number डाल रहा है. Don't do that. So yes, you need to do, you are open micer for probably lifetime.
Yeah.
This is something Puneet had once told me ki Atul, Zakir, all of these people, they don't do many open mics anymore. But the
Mhm.
fact is, इन लोग के पास 1.5 2 घंटा already ready है.
हाँ.
So, so when they're doing an hour, even if they slip in 5 minutes of trial content,
Hmm.
that won't be a problem.
Work. हाँ.
And the thing is, they are doing big like 1 hour solos, corporate. See, हर alternate days वो लोग कर रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ
So
हाँ.
you can't actually look up to them and say कि यार मैं तो सीधा शो में करेगा. I will produce my own solo show. 10-15 लोग भी आ गए तो मैं खुश. No, you can't.
नहीं.
Even a single audience is really very important क्योंकि this is something Atul, I usually observe his behavior a lot during shows. All that he does is like अगर तुम्हें ये show पसंद आया तो please let your friends know. But it is necessary कि you should be able to like his set.
Yes.
तो तुम्हारे पास tight material नहीं है तो no one is going to like you, and for that tight material open mics are compulsory. So yes, open mics के बिना I don't feel any producer is going to ever trust you.
Right. Was there any downfall stage? Like everything's
A lot.
falling apart.
मतलब 2018 December, I guess, नहीं 19 का November, I believe.
Mhm.
It was harsh on me. It was really harsh. नहीं 18th, 19th of was still I was traveling. 18 के time पे I was going through certain personal issues and was unable to solve them all together. So I decided to quit on everything I was doing because I needed a change.
Right.
But eventually I realized कि stand-up is the only thing which is making me happy. So I left everything. मैंने औरंगाबाद से शिफ्ट होने का डिसीजन लिया एंड मी गेलो मुंबईला.
Okay.
So almost for 3 months I used to travel every alternate day. मुंबईला जायचो, तिकडे ओपन माइक्स करायचो.
Mhm.
बट मी तेच म्हणतो ऑलमोस्ट 4-5 ओपन माइक्स मी इतका फ्लॅट बॉम्ब झालो की मी डाउट करायला लागलो होतो स्वतःवर की एम आय इवन फनी की मैं तो इतना बड़ा डिसीजन लेके बैठा हूँ, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग.
Family
बट देन
pressure.
हळूहळू व्हेन आय
Like तो कुठेतरी प्रेशर होता की दुसरीकडे
नाही
जाऊन तो बॉम्ब
नाही
होऊ शकतो.
फॅमिली नाही, दॅट्स नॉट अ थिंग. युजली माय फॅमिली सॉर्ट तेवढं चिल आहे माझ्या घरात. But
Nice.
I was unhappy with overall my circumstances because all my life me te 20 like 21 पे नौकरी 25 पे घर and blah blah shit type goals ठेवले होते. And I was 24 already and I barely had an existence. So it hit me hard and then I had to quit on things. मी खूप साऱ्या गोष्टी डिस्टर्ब करून टाकल्या. But stand up was something I actually felt कि I can go back but I couldn't go even there. So almost for 2 to 3 months, I did not even do a single open mic, just trying to figure out if actually I'm funny. But then I came back, and yeah, then it since it has been a boom. Like I did a lot of good tight sets, and I got a lot of different corporates. So अच्छा हुआ. Yes, there have been ups and downs. 2-3 open mics constantly अगर bomb करेगा तो तू low feel करेगा. But that
Low
is when
feel.
you need to
Right.
hold yourself.
Right. मग या टाइमला लाईक सपोर्ट काय होता तुझा लाईक स्टँड अप शिवाय लाईक
Stand up में you can't.
नो तो नाही लाईक स्टँड अप ठीक आहे लाईक इट वॉज समथिंग विच वॉज गेटिंग यू अप इन द मॉर्निंग की तुझे उठना है ओपन माइक्स करना है एंड दैट वॉज अ टारगेट बट फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली का कैसा सपोर्ट मिला तुझे?
अरे देख सच्ची बोलूं तो this is something I don't feel कि anyone can help you. The only person, see, no matter how much people trust you, it's you who is going to make the difference. So someone is saying good about me doesn't actually make me good. या फिर someone trusting on me and saying कि ये बड़ा बनेगा doesn't make me a big person.
Right.
Unless and until I don't put in the efforts.
Yes.
So I don't remember. देख जब चीजें बुरे होने लगती है ना तो बेंचो सब कुछ ही बुरा होता है. Everything just starts falling apart.
Right.
So that was the phase. So everything kept on falling apart and I could not gather shit together because there's no one in the world who can help you when things are not coming together. And even if there is someone, you don't feel it's helpful enough.
Right.
So at such instances, I believe it's necessary to take a break and try to figure out shit by yourself. कोई तुमको help नहीं कर सकता. Even parents, they can't last forever. So yeah, it's you who makes your own path and decides your future.
Right. Okay. So I think so this is one is last. But what are you worried about?
I am worried about fuck. I don't know. I'm a very selfish person. मैं बहुत selfish हूँ.
Mhm.
मतलब the fact is, I make sure कि I am happy no matter what. And a lot of those listening to me might feel कि ये बहुत हरामी है. But हाँ, it's fine to be हरामी.
Right.
The reason I'm not worried of shit anymore is because I have started accepting the fact कि जिधर मैं खुश है वही अच्छी दुनिया है. So even if I'm wrong at places, I can get better. But usually I don't take such decisions. So I don't know if something worries me a lot anymore. But yeah, family is the only place where I feel I'm weak. क्या माँ बाप के साथ में it's like emotional. बाकी जगह पे मैं बहुत हरामी हूँ.
I know, I know,
I
I know.
I really don't care. It's like, ah, dude, मतलब, neither is my presence going to make a difference to you and
Right.
your life, or your presence is going to make a difference. So तुम तुम्हारी जगह रहो, मैं मेरी जगह रहता हूँ. जरूरत पड़े उस दिन देखेंगे. कर
देख
सकते हैं मदद
लेंगे.
तो करेंगे, नहीं तो गांड
Right,
मराओ.
right, right. Okay. So, what at the end of day make you happy slash regret?
Oh, what makes me happy? Uh, Again, dude, I have lost my definition of happiness and sadness. मतलब,
Still, okay.
all
What are you
that
thankful for at the end?
that I will be able to travel someday. Like मेरे को
Hmm.
घूमने में बहुत मजा आ रहा है. Last year I did a road trip, and after that, all that I have in my head is like traveling as much as possible. So yes, every night, if you really want to know if I'm happy about something, then it's about me making my plans inside my head. कि bike, मतलब I've been doing road trips, तो route कैसे करना है, what are the things I'm going to take. फिर कोविड तब खत्म होगा नहीं होगा गांड में रहे. सो दैट इज एवरी सिंगल अनलॉक न्यूज हैज मेड मी हैप्पियर कि हाँ नवंबर में नॉर्थ ईस्ट पॉसिबल है. सो दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच मेक्स मी हैप्पी. एंड रिग्रेट, फक यार, देख सच्ची बोलूं तो आई डोंट फाइंड माई सेल्फ रॉन्ग एट एनी प्लेस. इवन इफ
Okay.
आई हैव बीन रॉन्ग, आई टेल माई सेल्फ कि ठीक है डूड, होता है. एंड व्हेन यू लर्न दैट स्किल, यू स्टार्ट रियलाइजिंग कि लाइफ इज वेरी सिंपल.
Okay.
So I am at that place right now कि even if I was wrong, I've said a sorry and I fucked up. Like उसके
It's
बाद
okay.
क्या ही
Like
कर
हो गया
सकते
है,
हैं ना, गलती
हो
हो
गया
गई
अभी,
हो
हो
गई.
गया, हो गया अभी.
हाँ, so
Like
मेरे
एकदम
को
move
I
down
don't
समझ.
feel bad about anything. Yes, I really don't feel bad about anything anymore. It's like हो गया वैसे गाने का.
Okay.
That's a very wrong attitude to have, but
It's okay.
that's
Like
something which brings me peace. So sort.
it's okay. Like they really sorted है वो.
हाँ, I am happy, so फिर बहुत
Yeah,
कुछ
work, it works
सही
then. It
है.
works then. Okay, काही डिसिप्लिन आहे तुझा कंटेंट लिहायचा किंवा बनवायचा? Like do you follow something discipline or की just
नहीं नहीं
आ गया
नहीं
बस हो
नहीं
गया?
नहीं. वही तो प्रॉब्लम है डूड. दैट इज समवेयर आई कर्स माई सेल्फ अ लॉट. कर्स ऐसे मेरे को खुद को गाली देना होता है वो टाइम पे, बिकॉज आई फील कि यू नीड टू हैव some time set aside to write sets.
Right.
Because of my profession, I am not fully like, there's a difference between profession, business, and passion. So unless and until you are not completely as a like you are not a comic like as a profession, you don't make time for that. And if there is someone who's making time out of other professions in spite of that is writing sets, then believe me, he's going to do large. So right now, yes, I am not able to write regularly. And again, that is somehow because I haven't had fun in open mics or online ones. So I have lost my motivation currently.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, hopefully I will start making. वो तो है, होता ही है कि रूटीन बनाएंगे. But yes, I have to do that. So even every comic I feel कि करना चाहिए, रूटीन होना चाहिए. थोड़ा एक 15 मिनट भी निकाल लिया ना दिन का तो भी things can be fine. But I'm not able to do that.
It's all right. Sorted.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.